Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the core prerequisites. First, check Xbox Live Service status and that you're signed into the correct Microsoft account. This rules out outages versus local problems. Once done, power cycle the console and router by unplugging for 30 seconds, then restart. This clears transient network issues. Next, verify whether you're on Ethernet or Wi-Fi and note your NAT type, because connection type and NAT restrictions directly influence multiplayer and matchmaking. Now run the console's network settings tests and read each result. Failed tests point to specific causes. If DNS resolution fails, change DNS to 8. 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or use your ISB's values. This speeds name lookups and can resolve sign-in errors. If NAT is strict or moderate, make sure UPnP is enabled or forward Xbox Live ports on the router. This allows inbound connections for multiplayer and stabilizes sessions. Once configured, rerun the tests to confirm success. Finish by validating account and system integrity. Sign out of your profile and sign back in to refresh tokens. Clear any saved networks on the console to force a clean handshake. Make sure your Xbox Live subscription and payment method are active, and check for any enforcement messages on your account. If problems persist, install pending system updates or perform a console reset as a last resort, but backup saves to the cloud first. If still stuck, try a different network to isolate ISB issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.